So now I will connect the servo motor to the Uno board. As you can see, this we need only three wires to connect the servo motor. As the first one, the middle one is a 5 volt of the servo motor needs BCC. I will connect it to the 5 volt pin of the Arduino, and I will connect this gray pin of the servo motor as a ground. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one will be connected to the ground of the Arduino, and the orange pin needs the signal for which I am using the pin number 3, the digital pin number 3 of the Arduino board. So it's a very simple connections, and as you can see, I'm done with the connections. So now it's basically the move to the coding part. So let's move to the coding part. Our connection is done.